That's cool. Is this like writing practice in a way?
I found it in the Hangeul Palace.
Whoa! Good? Want some wallpaper?
Look at inside.
Uh-huh.
I don't know what it means exactly, but... Ah yeah, on this side too.
Do you think it used to be like a partition or some art and they just reused it, or?
No, they usually recycling some
Yeah.
papers from somewhere.
Okay.
I don't know exactly, but wow, yeah. It's sometimes quite important, and sometimes just really, just family like letters. Where, wow.
Is this like writing practice in a way? It looks like someone was just writing the same thing over and over.
It could be. It could be. Oh, what a picture.
Yeah.
I think it's Japanese newspaper.
Oh yeah.
Colonial period. There's some English too.
Oh yeah.
Superior. What is that? Looks like some ad, like.
Yeah, this looks really old here. Look how small the print is.
Whoa!
Wow. You good?
That is fun. Wow. I am. This is really rotten.
Yes, this house is fucked, man.
Ah, it's fine.
You alright?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm used to it.
It's happened before?
Yeah.
Ah, shit.
Sometimes.
I've been lucky. I've only had a few little collapses.
Oh.
Yeah, this is familiar. I've looked at this. Looks like they've cut it out, whatever was here.
Yeah.
And I think it's just like practice paper or just kind of scratch paper. Ah, you recognize it.
Yeah. This is 1970s. Really typical.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, there's a lot of wallpaper in here.
Well, we got a permit, so.
Right. Locals let us in. There we go.
Oh yeah. Look at this.
Oh yeah.
Right? Ay, shit.
Ah, it's tearing off.
This is. No.
Is that really old?
Yeah, this is. I found it in the Changdeokgung Palace.
No way.
Yeah.
How old do you think that is?
It's about. Yeah, early 20th century.
Damn.
Like.
So that-
yeah, this is really important.
That might be like some of the original wallpaper from this place.
Yeah. I knew there must have been something really nice here. I knew it.
You look pleased? You look happy.
I'm really pleased.
Good, if you're happy, I'm happy. So I can't quite tell the difference.
Yeah. Look at this. This ink is from, I think is from Europe. It was quite typical at the time. And they kind of imported from some other countries, from Gunsan, Jeonmulpo, or some other ports during the time. And they're first opening their borders
Yeah.
to Western country. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Looks good. This is 1960 style. Here should be older one somewhere. What is this pattern? Ah, there you go. Looks like I don't know. So there is colonial period newspaper, Japanese newspaper, and on the top there is this pattern. So this is colonial period wallpaper. Looks like a Japanese pattern or something. But I've never seen this pattern, so it's a great found. Yeah.
Is it pretty common to find Japanese era stuff in houses like this, or is it still pretty uncommon?
So like, I can't say it's really common. It's so different in all the regions. So. And this is, yeah. But there's a lot of patterns.
Right.
I have this pattern.
That's really cool. Yeah, it looks familiar.
So there's one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7 patterns in this layer. There's a great found.
Want to try a different room?
Yeah. Ah, there's another room.
Yeah. I don't think I've ever actually been in this one.
You see the silver?
Yeah.
This is. Wow. Oh, that's Korean.
Oh yeah.
What is this? This is freaking great.
It's very legible. It's easy to read.
Yeah.
Wow. That's a full-on document.
Wow.
Damn, that is cool.
Wow. And it's easy to remove.
Yeah. It's dry.
That's cool.
Score.
So Now you understand why I'm quite fascinated about
Yeah, I
wallpapers.
get it.
It's really a totally new word.
It's basically archiving with documents and also with art.
Yeah. It's an artwork.
Yeah. Let's see this. How's the floor? Stable?
Pretty stable.
It looks like it gets worse over there. The kind of modern kitchen, okay. Oh yeah, this is super nice. You can totally see this.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. And we've got a
yeah.
bunch of newspaper up above.
1970s or 60s.
Mm.
70s.
Yeah, the newspaper doesn't look super old. It looks maybe...
Yeah, 1978.
Yeah, just the fashion alone, you can tell this dude, he looks very 70s. Oh, right behind it. Jeez, that's really cool too.
Ah, yeah. I know this one.
You know this one?
I have it too. Japanese.
Look at that picture, that's so cool. That smile.
Yeah, Japanese newspaper.
Wow. You mentioned before that there was some Japanese influence you could see in
Yeah.
these floorboards,
Here,
right?
yeah.
And like this pillar, because it gets narrower at the top,
Yeah.
it's more of a Joseon style one.
dynasty,
It gets
yeah,
wider at the
style.
bottom,
Yeah.
but then this is more Japanese style.
Yeah.
Is that because of the direction it's pointed, or how thin
It's thinner,
the wood is?
thinner the board is, and this, this junction is quite common in Japan. Japan.
So we'll see if we can get in here.
Yeah. Alright. A lot of scribbles here.
It's just hanging there.
Looks like a kind of a looks like a practice.
Oh, look at this. Yeah.
Oh,
That's cool.
I found it in Incheon, and it's same here.
How old was that one?
It's the Incheon was 1940s. This is 1940s. So.
That's unreal.
Oh, that's great. I found it.
Cool.
That's great. Yeah, it's the same. It's just lacking of some silver. There was a silver, but I think it's faded out here. because it's exposed to outside.
Uh-huh.
But I have it. That's cool. Alright. That was great.